Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. As a thank you for being here, we have a special gift for you to enjoy, so stick around until the end. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this accessible yoga practice together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance. Begin to alternate lifting through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes, and lowering your heels, rooting down through your feet, creating more mobility and flexibility through your feet and ankles, while increasing circulation. Pause with both feet firmly rooted to the earth. Moving into a forward bend variation. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, sweep your arms towards the earth, gently folding forward from your hip creases. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged and your legs active with your knees over your ankles, pressing your thighs open, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright, place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm to the sky and then back and open, feeling a gentle stretch across your chest, shoulder, and top arm. Adding movement, inhale with your arm open wide, and on your exhale, sweep across your body towards your right thigh. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulder, and top arm. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Place your left forearm to your left thigh. Reach your right arm to the sky and then back and open, feeling a gentle stretch across your chest and shoulders. Adding movement, inhale at the top, exhale, sweep across your body towards your left thigh. Inhale, open wide, exhale, sweep across. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, returning to upright. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon into your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, spine, and side body. Release, returning to upright, moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Begin to alternate, drawing opposite shoulder to knee, flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Release and step your feet back to center. Closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, and sign up to get your free Chair Yoga Starter Guide plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.